All right, Best Bounce TV. Today is one of those days, and we are picking up our newest unit, the big old bounce house by Big and Bright Inflatables. I've already renamed it the Jumbo Jump, but we are here ready to pick it up, and I'm going to show you guys the whole process. So they actually wouldn't let me film there. Not a big deal. We're going to head back to the shop right now, and I'll show you guys everything that I checked before I left, and I'll explain the process a little bit further. So for anyone new here, I am Josh. I run Best Bounce Party Rentals. We are in the southwest suburbs of Chicago in Tinley Park, Illinois. We're always adding new inventory and trying to level ourselves up, and I thought it'd be good to document some of this and show some of you who are either starting a party rental business, thinking about starting a party rental business, or already run one. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. If you're buying inflatables, this is the part that nobody really shows you, and it could definitely save you a lot of headaches. This is how the bounce house normally comes. It's on a pallet. It's wrapped up real nice. A couple things you want to check is you just want to make sure there's no rips and stuff. You know, make sure it's not damaged. This little thing right here, it's fine. This all looks to be good and intact. This looks good, right? So that's just the first thing you want to check. Now that I've shown you guys what to check for when you're picking up your unit, let's go ahead and get this thing out. I noticed this big pocket, and what's cool is they actually give you a bunch of vinyl if you ever need to patch anything. So super helpful, super dope. It comes with stakes. All right, enough for the unit that we bought. All right, now we're gonna get into this blower. This is a 1.5. These blowers are super cool. They look super cool. I like this like X looking thing on the front. Oh, what I do is I wrap this cord around here. That's how I put this one away. All right, let's get back to blowing this thing up. I actually had to move it a little bit. I think it's a little bit bigger than I expected. So let's get back to that. First look, these entrances are huge. This thing is huge. It's way bigger than I thought. This entrance is literally eye height with me. I'm 6 foot tall. Let's get a quick walk around. You got some, business card holders on both sides. You got your warnings and safety rules right here in the middle. Super easy to read. Coming around the side. This is their clean out system. So Velcro holds this up and this opens up so that you could blow out anything that's in there, sweep out, whatever. Super cool. I've never had a unit with this before. This is my first one. This is awesome. It's got 2 basketball hoops, one there, one here. Looks like on the blower tubes here, you got your serial number and your manufacturing date. Big and Bright Inflatables. Let's go take a step inside really quick. So, as you could see, I'm trying to figure out how to flip this camera around, but it doesn't look like I can in this mode. I'm on my knees. I'm a big dude, right? And I'm able to get in here super easy. This is super cool. It's a safety gate for kids. Looks like it's on a bungee system. Just open it up. Come right on in. And I don't know if you could tell how big this thing really is on this video, but it's huge. It looks like I missed that over there. That's for you can put your own banners on there. You got your emergency exits. This thing is tall. Your basketball hoops got the cuts right here, so kids can't hang on them, right? Sure, they can still whatever, but they can't hang on them. For any of you that didn't know why they do that, that's why. So the kids can't hang on them right here. Opens right up. Also, it looks like these could actually fit real size balls. Some of these units come with like tiny little hoops, right? You can't even fit like a real basketball size blow up ball, any of that through it. These look like a great size. What I loved about this unit before I bought it was the two entrances and the fact that they're oversized. You know, I was thinking about bigger events. I don't know how many people are actually going to rent this for their house, but bigger events, this thing is dope, right? Everybody's renting out 14 by 14s, 13 by 13s, 15 by 15s, but this 23 by 20, this is insane, right? You got two entrances here. You could use both as entrance, both as exit, or you could use one as an entrance only, one as an exit only. Great for large events, great for graduations, birthdays, where you're gonna have a bunch of kids. So I thought that was super cool. Super happy with this purchase. There's the unboxing, there's my overview. If there's anything that you might wanna know that I might have missed, drop it down in the comments. I'll answer anything that I can. All right, now that we've made sure that there's nothing wrong with it, everything's good, blower works, all the zippers work, clean out system's good. No scratches, no scuffs, no anything crazy visible. I didn't notice anything. Let's get this thing rolled up and put away.